Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today let's make natural face wash with witch hazel extracts. Okay, so I will explain a little bit of our ingredients. The ingredient can be found in the description box below. So our phase A, we are using water, glycerin, and xanthan. So xanthan is our thickener, and our humectant is glycerin. Phase B, which is 100% natural surfactants. We have Coco glucoside, Decyl glucoside, Coco betaine, the foam booster, and the refattening agent we have is called Lamesoft PE9010. We are using the natural one. Another refattening agent you can find in the market is PEG7 Glycerin cocoate. It's not a natural one, so here we are using the Lamesoft PE9010. And then C, phase C, we are using fragrance. So fragrance here, we've chosen lavender. You can use any type of fragrance. You are not restricted to only lavender. And our preservative here, we are using Euxyl PE9010. And then extract, we are using witch hazel extract. Okay, so that's what we are using here. This face wash is completely natural. And then our surfactant, since it's a facial wash, we are using them at the minimum to medium usage range, because we don't want it to be excessively foamy to strip off all the moisture on our face. So we are using them from the low to medium range. It will foam, but the foamy ability will not be to strip off all the moisturizer on our face, so our face will not be dry. Okay, so let's go ahead and start formulating. So here I have my water face. Okay, I have my surfactant face. I have my xanthan and glycerin. I have my extract, preservative, and fragrance here. So first we are combining our xanthan with our water. Always want to mix your xanthan with your water first. And I'm using warm water here. I've already preheat my water so that the video can be short. And you can always do this on heat method. Okay, you can always do it on heat method, so you don't necessarily do it the way I'm doing it. You can put your water phase, your surfactant first on the heat, and then heat it to 70 degrees and above. From there, you add your xanthan and glycerin first to your water phase, and then you go ahead and add in your surfactant. After that, when you take it down from the heat, and then you allow it to cool down below 40 degrees Celsius, and then you add in your preservative, your witch hazel. If you want to add protein, you can add protein or more advanced products. Like for example, if you want moisturizing effect, you can put in Parthenon, you can put in polyquaternium 7 or 10, all those things. So see, our thickener has become a little bit thick, the water phase and the thickener, as you can see here. So I'm going ahead to add our surfactant phase. Just follow the step, it's very easy. Either doing it out of heat or in heat. When you're doing it out of heat, you want to make sure your water phase is heated on a double boiler method. Okay, in another video I will show you guys how to do a double boiler method. Just add gently and combine. Trying to get everything out. Okay, done there. Then, since this water phase is already out of heat for a while, it's already cool, so I'll go ahead and add our C phase. Okay, or yeah, our C phase. Yeah. So this is our final product. When you make this, if you make it on the heat, it might be running too much because it's too hot. So you take it down and you allow it to cool properly, maybe to room temperature, and see if it's still running too much. If it's still running too much, that means you have to increase your xanthan gum. So when you increase your xanthan gum, that means any amount you increase it with, you decrease that amount from the water, and then it balances there. Your percentage has to be 100%. So I will drop the formulation, the formula on the description box below. You can go ahead and make your own. So what you will do next is correcting the pH before you use it. So you want to correct your pH to 5.5, between 4.5 to 6 maximum. You want to correct your pH to that. So it's better to leave your pH around 5.5, so that till you finish using your facial wash, the pH is still within norm. So in that way, you have a great facial wash that won't run over. So you can go ahead and pour it into packages like this, okay, and you start using. You have to label it with the date you manufacture it, the date, and that's it. And then you can go ahead according to the preservative you have. So it depends on the life shell of the preservative you are using. You might not use the one I'm using here. You can use another one, the natural form of preservative, or other type of preservative. Some they have 2 years life shell, and some they have or shelf life, shelf life, and then some have maybe 1 year and all those things. But you won't make big batch. Anytime you want to make, maybe you make maximum for you and your household, and if it's only you, maybe around 200 mils to 500 mils, so you don't have to make all the time. So this is the end of our video. So happy formulating. If it's too running for you, like I said, you want to increase your xanthan gum to thicken it more, or you want to allow this to sit for a while. It might thicken up if it's cold enough. Okay, so happy formulating. Bye.